In this video, I'll show you how to find what or as are draining your battery on your iPhone 16. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is open our settings, or that little gear icon. And then we want to go ahead and scroll down to the battery section. Once we get to the battery section, we're going to go ahead and scroll down the screen until we see the list of apps here, and you're going to see what apps are actually using your battery and the percentage that they are using the battery. Now, if we tap right here under Show Activity or Battery Usage by App, you're going to notice that it shows you where it's using the battery. Is it on screen or is it in the background? And if you see that it's in the background and it's a large amount of time in the background, then that is probably an app that is running that you do not want running. So what can we do about this situation? Well, first, find the app that's causing the problem by looking at on screen. And if you see there's a lot of time on screen, then what you might want to do is go ahead and see if you have any applications that are open that might need to be closed out. And then go ahead and close those out, wait, and then look back again at the battery to see if there is an adjustment and if that battery usage drops. If not, and you continue to see that stuff is running in the background, find that app that's running in the background. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our settings on the main screen. And we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom where we see Apps. Go ahead and tap on Apps. And then what you're going to do is you're going to search for that app that you think might be the problem that you see has been running in the background. And once you find that app, go ahead and tap on it. And then you want to check on the location for that app. Is it using location services? If it is, it may continue to be checking where you are located, and you may want to turn that off or turn it, set it to never, or ask next time, or when I share. Then you can go ahead and go back and see if the background app refresh is on. And if that is the case, you may want to go ahead and turn that off, so it is not doing things in the background constantly. Then you may also notice it is draining a lot of your cellular data or using that up quite a bit. And you may also just turn that off as well. Then what you might want to check is some of these other features, which are not as important, but those are the main features. Then monitor that app by going back into your battery settings and check to see if it is draining a lot less than previously. And once you find out that it is, then you will know that those settings are probably good to just go ahead and leave them until you actually really need that app moving forward. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.